Hi, I'm Tim, and today I am going to show you how to add and remove liquidity from ApeSwap. Providing liquidity is not without risk, as you may be exposed to impermanent loss. To learn more about this, you can check this video, link in description. So, to add liquidity, the first step is to go to Exchange, Liquidity. Then, click Add Liquidity. In this example, we will add liquidity using BNB and Banana, so we will leave the first and second input as it is, so that we add liquidity with BNB and Banana. Then, enter the amount you want to add on one of the tokens, the other one will be calculated automatically. Click Add Liquidity, and then Confirm Supply. The two different tokens you add liquidity with will give you back LP tokens, and you will then be able to see your LP tokens balance by clicking See Your Liquidity Positions. Once you have the LP tokens, you can stake them. Staking them means that they will leave your wallet and go into a pool, from where you will receive yields. To make this, you have to go to ApeSwap's homepage and click Stake, Banana Farms. Then, locate your farm. In this case we are going to use BNB and Banana Farm. Click the Enable button. Once the transaction is executed, it will change to Deposit. So click it, and type the amount of LP tokens you would like to farm with into the field, or just click Max to use all of your LP tokens. Click the Confirm button, so that the transaction is executed, and the tokens will be added to the farm. If you want to unstake the LP tokens and withdraw them to your wallet, click the minus button, and type the amount of tokens you want to remove. When you are ready, click the Confirm button and that's it. Now, to remove liquidity, in the same place where we added liquidity, click Remove. Write the percent you want to remove. Click Enable. Then, Remove. And finally, Confirm. Then, the transaction will be done and the LP tokens you remove will be transformed into the tokens you added initially. Don't forget to like, comment, share on social media, and subscribe if you learned something, so that you don't miss the next videos.